Bullish Hedera, HBAR, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.421956 and $0.797028 by 2030. Market investigators accept HBAR could reach $0.328188 by 2025. Bearish Hedera market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.075014. Hedera, HBAR, presentation computer programmer Lehman Baird and mechanical leader Mance Harmon and the Hedera administering board concocted the Hedera Hashgraph. In 2015, Baird and Harmon sent off Swirlds as an essential coalition to develop and run a live framework. Hedera, using its development, Swirlds turned out an association called Hedera, a while later renamed Hedera Hashgraph. Through an unmistakable obligation to forthcoming symbolic contributions, Hedera Hashgraph has produced $124 million by selling its HBAR digital currency in 2018. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, means to logically allow different organizations to join the organization before it is made public later. What is the Hedera HBAR? The Hedera Hashgraph cryptographic money, a unique sort of blockchain, is where the digital currency Hedera is found. Arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary standards are totally filled by the Hedera Hashgraph. Another variety of the strong proof agreement calculation is utilized to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the HBAR cache gives motivations to conditional validators. Huge businesses, including Deutsche Telekom, IBM, Boeing, LG, Google, T-Portable, Nomura, and others, own and run Hedera. Hedera, HBAR, specialized examination. The investigation of products utilizing outline examples to confirm the HBAR coin cost expectation and different standards is known as specialized examination, or TA. It is a procedure for examining the market utilizing signals and extraordinarily planned instruments. Market members can involve this technique to recognize equivalent opportunities for exchanging or venture and check the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR cost expectation. Typically, specialized examination depends on verifiable information about a resource, like market, turnover, and so forth, which uncovered designs that can be used to foresee what is probably going to happen. The investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers is known as specialized examination, TA. A market cap examination strategy utilizes pointers made explicitly for the errand. Contingent upon the conditions, merchants and financial backers utilize this strategy to recognize amazing open doors for exchanges or ventures. Specialized examination might be founded on past data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovered patterns that can be utilized to foresee what is probably going to happen. Marks of cryptographic money in light of specialized examination. Specialized investigation of computerized monetary forms can be led utilizing an assortment of line diagrams and graph designs. Clients entranced by specialized investigation can concentrate on the greatest cost, market cap, normal cost, most extreme worth, Hedera Hashgraph cost figure, or some other information related with the Hedera cost gauge, utilizing the basic pointers gave underneath. Ichimoku pointer. Ichimoku is a pattern indicator that seems multifaceted, however is somewhat straightforward. This singular Japanese marker was made to show support levels, show what is happening, and ready clients when an inclination is probably going to be switched. The stochastic pointer. The stochastic offers examiners an exceptional method for distinguishing cost variances by working out the distance between the ongoing chart book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the most minimal cost and the greatest expense during a similar time period. The line, %K, is first changed into the moving normal %D, which is then projected on the rate K. Turn focuses are one of the most usually utilized images across all business sectors, covering stocks, bullion, and money. They are made utilizing an equation in light of the greatest, least, and exorbitant costs from the past time frame. Brokers utilize these lines as planned help regions and impediments where it would be hard for cost to go through. Hedera is presently worth $0.093768 United States dollars. HBAR has moved 8.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $120,661,922. Hedera is at present position 329 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $3,151,672,726 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, We can decide cost designs for Hedera Hbar to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Hedera Hbar market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2023. Hedera, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Hbar. The Hbar cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.140652. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.131275 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Hbar is supposed to have a base worth of $0.112522. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Hedera Hbar cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hbar will before long outperform $0.23442. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Hbar's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Hbar will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.187536 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.20629. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.328188 and Hbar might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Hbar is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.300058 and a low of $0.281304 in 2025. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Hedera effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Hbar coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hbar will be green in 2026. The Hbar is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.421956 with a base cost of $0.375072 and a typical cost of $0.393826. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Hbar cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.48